What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I'm back in Five Below for yet another shop with me. There are so many new finds in this week. I can't wait to share them with you guys. Like these $5 squishies. These are brand new and they're so pretty for summer. We have the Squish Me's. Oh, look you guys, it's a pretty shell. This beautiful sunflower. This is definitely my first time ever seeing a squishy tiki. What else do we have in here? We have a shark. What else? I think that might be it. We also have some macaroons in here, but I'm not sure if they're supposed to be in here. And you guys know how I feel about these $2 Aqua Splashes. These are so satisfying to touch. They're so cool and squishy, and I am going to buy one for the pool because we are off to the pool this week. Oh, you guys, I love these. These feel so nice. It says soak it and throw it. It's an aqua saucer in the orange, in the purple. Gator said something about there being a blue, but I don't think there's a blue. It's really, really hard to pick just one color because these are so amazing and they just feel so nice to touch. But I think we're probably going to get the green one. And then these $5 pillows are brand new this week and they feel like outside pillows. Super cheerful and bright for summer. And then you guys, look at this wall. Okay, we'll walk past the new 4th of July Pinwheels. These are $5 and super, super jumbo. But there are a lot of new things for the beach and the pool. You guys, look at these. We have a kiwi float, an orange float, lips, the unicorn. Look at the flamingo one up there, you guys. You see it? The flamingo. Here's the flamingo. The floating pong set. Look at these. Oh, they look so pretty. Even some glitter tubes. The pretty mermaid. The shark swim fin. Oh, look at this. This one has wings on it. What else is new? I think that's it. Oh, this one is new. This is called the Hammock Lounge. It looks super bubbly and soft. They have so many cute things, and I just love these cups. I had to show them one more time. These are just $5. These hold 64 ounces, and they feel really nice and insulated. And then we also have the ice cream cups, which you will just look super cute if you're chilling with one of these this summer or taking a selfie with one of these. They're super adorable. It looks like we might have some new pool bags or beach bags. This feels insulated. Oh, 18 cans. It holds 18 cans. This is the cooler tote for $5. Look at this, you guys. Beach Please with the beautiful burlap. The sequins. It's so pretty. Life's a Beach. These are new, just $5, you guys. And then we also have Aloha Beaches. And this is a really lightweight, cute little bag. I want to continue showing you guys some new items that I'm finding this week. Can you guys believe this? $5 umbrellas. That is such a great deal. And we can look at one of them here. This is the rainbow umbrella. Just $5, and this one is also just $5, and it is humongous. Do you guys see how big that is? For only $5. I mean, I just get blown away with the items that I see in here. The fact that we're paying so much more elsewhere, and then we can just come here and find them for $5. It's just amazing to me. Of course, the $5 hammocks, that's something that I continue to show you guys because I just can't get over the price. And they even have the little portable barbecue grills that are just 12 inches. Gator put on the little shark swim fin. Turn around slowly. That's what that looks like, you guys. One more time. Let me see, Gator. Oh, that is so cute. We have a lot to look at this week, you guys. We have more new items to look at. So last time I came in, I showed you guys the ice cream pinata, but look, this week we also have the beautiful mermaid tail pinata. They have $5 aqua shoes in all sizes for kids and adults. And for $3, we have the wet and dry bags, or the bikini bags, again, just $3. We have Beach Please, Aloha, Hit the Beach in hollow, look at all that hollow, and we have Beach Vibes in a really, really pretty gold hollow. This week, in stores and online, it's valid through June 24th. The animal icon and poop plush pillows are 50% off, making them just $2.50. What a deal for a pillow. I mean, that is such a great price. This is the 5-piece carafe set. I mean, what a nice deal. You get a nice sized carafe, and then you also get 4 glasses. Again, just for $5. And I think these are amazing down here for just $5. It's the water dispenser. I love how they decorated it here with the pineapple and the citrus, and it says Tutti Frutti on it. And this is plastic. Other new things that I know you guys would want to see. Look at this, you guys. This is a 3D paint and squishy set, and yes, that is a unicorn, and you can decorate your own unicorn. We also have a donut. Love that. It's a pretty nice size. And a burger. I thought this was a macaroon, but it's not. It's a burger. And they have all sorts of kits down here. Tie-dye kits. Ooh, what's this? Desert garden? Color, plant, and grow. It includes a gardening tray, a packet of burning bush seeds, a packet of globe thistle seeds, prickly pear seeds, garden flags, a black marker, 4 paints, a paintbrush, colored pebbles, and glue. If your child is attending a birthday party and you don't know what to get the birthday girl or boy, just come here to Five Below, you guys, because look at all these kits. They have so many kits, from painting to weaving, design your own lamp. They have a whole wall full of kits. I think these might be new. These little narwhals. Oh, look. So adorable. Ooh, and I love the colors of this guy. It's a rainbow llama. And these are just $5 each. They have so many cute things in here, you guys. This is a neon LED wall light that says love. Just $5. I love this. I know I've shown you guys this before, but I really love it. Ooh, and look at these little alpacas. Let's see, how much are these? These are $4. They have dream catchers here for $5. The big ones are $5. Ooh, I like the pink. And then they have medium ones for $3. The brown, the greenish blue, and the pink, and also the black. Super big tubs of chalk for just $3, you guys. I think these are normally $4 each, but these are just $3, and this is a whole lot of chalk, 50 pieces. It's super heavy and pretty and pastel. I think that's a really nice deal. We have the hula hoops for $3.50. And then I'm just noticing these for the first time, you guys. They even have ukuleles. They have instruments here. And for a little kid, this would be perfect. Ukuleles for $5. Oh, they're so cute. tambourines, just $5. Different colors. They even have piano fingers. A little drum mat, a microphone, a retro microphone. These would be really good for little kids. We have some mini bongos here. I mean, they just have so much stuff here that would really make a fun gift. Lots of games. The Incredibles 2, it's a memory game. They have dupes for other games like this one, Cake Splat. You guys saw me haul this one before. This is Say It, Don't Spray It. That was $5. They have a dupe for Connect 4, and they're calling it 4 in a row. They just have so much stuff here. Oh, my kids loved this one when they were little. The fishing game. Aww. What's this? LOL Surprise Puzzle. You get 48 pieces and 1 accessory. And they have the Hatchimals too. So much, you guys. Make your own unicorn dream catcher. That is so cute. They even have this birthday lip balm kit for $5. Galaxy bubble lights. It's like a little lava lamp. Wow. I'm always so impressed. They have some American Girls in here for $5. Monster High Minis for $3. Oh, these are so adorable. Love those. Aw, Cabbage Patch Kids. Little Sprouts for just $3. Aw, look at the little kitty. So cute. Even a little boy. It says it has a hidden accessory inside. And then we have some My Little Pony Equestria Girls. DJ Pawn 3. I'm not sure how much this is. Maybe $3, maybe $5, I'm not sure. We have all sorts of things up here, you guys. We have Disney princess characters. We have some Hara Juku characters, some Cuckoo Hara Juku, and they look super cute. These are $5. I really love these. I love the super tiny accessories that they come with. Aw, it comes with a ring. Decorate, ring, or share with your doll. There's a nice variety of these. This is Angel. There's Angel, there's G. I think we already looked at G. These are so cute, you guys. Here's some clothes and accessories. Kawaii fashion for HJ5. Again, some more Cuckoo, Hara Juku. Look at the little bag. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at the socks or the shoes. Well, hey you guys, I think that's it for me. I want to film one more video for you guys in here. A lot of you requested to see certain items. So in the next Five Below Shop With Me, I'll be sharing those items that you guys want to see, and I'll be giving some shout outs and mentioning who requested to see that item. So you guys be sure to tune in tomorrow for my next Five Below Shop With Me. I had a lot of fun sharing all these new items with you guys. And I just really love the store. It's so much fun. It's so happy. It's so trendy. And you just never know what you're going to find. So alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please just go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and let me know that you want to keep seeing these Five Below Shop With Me's. feel free to share your comments with me down below. And if you guys haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.